Hello, Baron. We replaced your battery cable. We didn't think that was a good idea. And we're replacing your water intake hose because of these cracks. This thing's about gone. We replaced the solenoid in your engine because it was keeping the starter on. And we put one on that's got a little button on top of it, so when all else fails, you can hit the button on top, hotwire your engine, and put the button on top. Hit the button on top for your starter. We took out the filter and the line, and we actually took out yet another line right here. This guy. So it looks like there was another fuel line in there at one time that had maybe been abandoned, and this other fuel line put in. And we're putting in new Coast Guard approved fuel line and a new filter. Haven't got the new filter installed yet, but matter of fact, I don't think he's even got it laying in the boat. But he is, and I know he just explained to me that he's getting ready to put that in. So we had some other things, some other wiring issues that we want to take care of. We got some extension cord wiring here and some splices to some more extension cord wiring. I'm not sure what that goes to, whether that's a blower or the lights or what, but anyway, we'll take care of that. Also, we have some lamp cord that's used here that was on a bilge pump switch. Bilge pump switch. And so we're going to take care of those issues. Of course, we still have to recover the dash, and we're going to we'll pull the tack out and get that rebuilt because of the odometer, or not the odometer, the hour meter. We'll get that straightened out. And of course, then we've got the arch material to put on and so forth as well. So anyway, I just wanted to give you an update. Your engine's going back in today. I have another video of it running for you, and we'll send that all on shortly.